Alright, this video is going to be a little different than usual. This is going to show what your boots can look like before and after. These are Iron Rangers. I love these boots. I've had them for a couple of years. I use them for everything. I literally wear them pretty much every day. Yeah. Anyway, they're filthy. They're dirty. They haven't been oiled since wintertime. It's now almost July. It's time to give them a tidy up. So, step one, hose them off. Okay, it's the next day. I washed those off with the hose last night, probably 9 p.m. It's a little after 8:30 a.m., so it's about 12 hours later. They've had a chance to dry out. Just kind of showing the condition of what we're working with here. You know, they're used. These are not, kind of boots a lot of people wear around the office and never see anything other than carpet. I use them every day for just about everything. They've held up pretty good. So what I'm going to do is go ahead and do a little conditioning on them, just to show you how to get some more life out of it. There's a couple of products I've been known to use. One of them is Obanoff's Heavy Duty LP. It's good water protectant, good for wintertime to keep the sort of moisture from coming in if you're trying to get some waterproofing out of your leather. Also keeps it nice and supple. Another one that you can use, Bic 4 leather conditioner. I think today I'm going to try to use the Bic 4 on these. And then just for good measure, general purpose foot spray. Keep your boots that you wear all the time from smelling like boots. All right, let's give these a condition with the Bic 4 and show you how they turn out. All right, so we're back about 6 hours later after I liberally coated these things. When I say liberally, I mean treat it like it's sunblock. You're a vampire and you have a newborn baby that you're bringing to the beach in Miami on the hottest day of the year. Yeah, I mean, they were just soaked to the point where there was a, good thick layer of the Bic 4 just laying around on the outside of the surface. And they were left in the shadows in a warm day. It's probably 65 degrees here today. In the shadow for half the day, and then the second half of the day they were in the sunshine, just sort of, helping to let the heat and not hot heat, but just the warmth and everything kind of help the material soak into the leather. As you can see, it's still a little dry looking in places. So I think even though I've coated them 3 times before I let them dry earlier, I'm going to give them another coat of the Bic 4, and then I might put some Obanoffs on them just for some waterproofing as well. But as you can see, it helped. Definitely, it's better than it was before. The color did not change. I mean, it's pretty true to its word that it does not darken anything. The Obanoffs, on the other hand, will make these boots look very dark brown for quite a while until they wear back out. In fact, if I put Obanoffs on them, they'll look pretty much like this everywhere. This dark sort of almost black. I mean, I like the looks of them. They're worn, but they're still a shade too beat up looking for what my taste is right now. So definitely where I have some nicks and scratches, I was going to put some Obanoffs on that anyway, because it will darken up the spot that's, kind of the raw leather that hasn't been treated. So yeah, I'm going to give them another coat, and maybe I'll take one more video when they're all done. Okay, we're back. So this is after one more coat of the Bic 4 on each of the boots. And then this one, I added the Obanoffs, and as you can see, it is quite a bit darker. It's a very, very dark brown now, whereas you can see, and it picks up quite well in camera, the original boot was much more of a kind of reddish brown, and the other spots that are quite dark or something from age, but the Obanoffs, while it works great and does a good job of waterproofing things, it definitely darkens the leather quite a bit. So in case you're wondering what this will do, I did this example just to show it on film so people can know. So if you're looking to not darken your leather, at least on your Iron Rangers like I have, I would go with the Bic 4 if you don't mind darkening the leather to add the waterproofing and some other benefits. And I think it actually holds up a little better, in my opinion. The Obanoffs, it lasts quite a while, but at the expense of changing the color. If you don't care, then go with the Obanoffs. If you prefer to have kind of more the patinaed color, I would say stick with the Bic 4. Anyway, that's my recommendation. That's how I do this. I'm going to go ahead and put some Obanoffs on the other boot just so they match, because I don't really want to wear one dark boot and one light boot. But yeah, thanks for watching.